venit! Suntem la conferința de presă dinaintea meciului cu CFR Cluj de mâine. Alături de noi, domnul Elia Saralambu, să vreau să spună câteva lucruri despre jocul pe care este la dispoziție pentru prezent.
Bună ziua! First of all, felicitări pentru echipa națională for the 2 wins. Very important for Romania, and I'm really happy for the 2 wins that they did. Now for our game tomorrow, we know that CFR is always a hard game, especially away. We are prepared after 2 weeks rest because of the break of the national team. And our only target is to go there and to win 3 points that we need them a lot.
Is CFR Cluj the main opponent in the championship fight?
No, I believe that there are many other teams plus CFR that they will fight this year for the championship. And it's really too early, you know, many games to go. And I believe that there will be many other teams fighting for the league, for the championship this year.
What's the atmosphere after the win against Uta? You had the international break as well. Are things getting better from this point of view?
Yeah, I told you that the last game we needed to take the 3 points to start winning games in the league, but you know, the league is a big marathon, you know, it's not a sprint. Sprint we made in Europe, that we had to win fast in order to qualify in the groups. So it's not about, I mean, it's a long way. We need to win points in order to be close to the rest of the teams, because you know our target is the championship this year as well. And we will try to win, and the most important is, as I always say, the next game. So tomorrow we will try our best to win 3 points that will help us for the future.
How do you see CFR Cluj now? Because they lost a few players, Berligia is one of them. How do you see CFR Cluj now in this situation?
Okay, big teams. I believe they don't depend on 1 or 2 players. CFR is CFR, it's a big club. It's a team that they are fighting every year for the league, and for sure they have other players to replace the players who left. So it doesn't mean anything that they lost players. They are still a good team, but the most important is how we will play, and this is what we are focused on. Our game, our rhythm, to give our tempo in the game, and this is what we see more.
How has it been for the new players? Berligia and Mihai Popescu, have they adapted in these few weeks, few days?
It's very important that both of the players, and Berli and Mihai, they are players that they were playing in the league, they know the league very well, so they didn't need much time to adapt. Also, you know that I always say that we have a fantastic dressing room, very good atmosphere, that this helps the boys to adapt very easily in the team.
After you qualify in Europa League, you play now differently in the championship because the opposition is not very good for FCSB.
What do you mean we play different?
I don't know, to win games.
We always try to win games. We always try to win games. And I said it before. Sorry?
There was some problems in the championship.
Yeah, we cannot go back. You know, the only thing is that we have to see forward. We have to see how we will try to win the games. And I said it before that Europe was a sprint. So we had to win games fast in order, because we didn't have time to recover. Now the championship, it's a long marathon. So we have time to recover, we have to recover, and it was good that we won the last game, and we will try to win the next game, starting for tomorrow. I cannot say that we will win the game because nobody knows before the game, but we will try our best, because what brought us to Europe, it was by winning the league last year, so we want to do it again the same in the next year as well.
But how much harder will it be, given this context that you play in Europa League? And it's a tough competition, tough opponents, and you have the championship as well, compared to last year when you only had the championship to focus on, not so many games.
Yeah, it's if you ask me if I would like to pass in the groups and have every 3 days game, I would say yes, because it was very important for the club for many reasons to pass in the groups, and now we have to adapt and to find a way to manage the things, playing every 3-4 days now, and from my point of view, something that I like a lot, playing games, and I believe also the players. They enjoy playing games, and this is football. To play games every 3-4 days. The thing is that we have to find the way to manage the things well in order to be good in both competitions, plus the cup.
But
There
what is
are-
the priority to qualify for the next stage in Europa League or to fight for the championship?
The priority is to win the game tomorrow. The priority for us is to see always the next game. We cannot see very far, because if you see very far, I believe it's no reason. We have to see the most important thing. The most important thing for us today is the game with Çefere tomorrow, and then we can go step by step. This is the way we can see, and it's the reality.
There are any new injuries besides those we know? Alexandru, Kiki, Ejuma?
No, at the moment, these are the 3 injuries. Okay, Kiri felt something. We will see now. He's with the doctor, and we will see his situation exactly. Now he's with the doctor now.
The club sold yesterday a lot of tickets in a few hours. How do you see this interest from the fans?
It's something that I wanted to mention, and it shows the value and how big the club is. You know, yesterday, as I was informed, after 7 o'clock, starting selling tickets, we sold like 17,000 Qatar. 17,000 is something really amazing, and it shows the strength and the power of this club, because it's not easy to sell so many tickets in so short period. And I'm really excited, and it's something, I repeat, that it's very, very important for the club. And I want to thank the fans for one more time that they showed their love and the passion for the club.
Did you have a private chat with Berliga to find out secrets of Dan Petrescu?
No, you know, it's Çefere is a team that we know very well. It's a team that played before with Mr. Petrescu, and we know the style of play. Okay, we analyze the teams as always, and Berliga is here to help with his quality in the pitch.
Are you satisfied with the squad overall, how it looks? The owner brought so many players in order for you to manage all these competitions. How would you assess it?
Yeah, first of all, I want to thank the owner, because he's doing everything what the team needs, and it's something that helps us a lot. And it's not easy. It's not easy to spend so much money, but he doesn't think. He just puts like priority to help us, to help the team, and really, he's a big help for us. I told you many times that he's the main person with Meme that decides for the players to come in the club, but he always looks to give us the best solutions and to give everything for us, and I want to say again a big thank you to him.
Will we see Gezana tomorrow? Because Mehmet said that he is tired after the international break and his traveling problems.
Yeah, Gezana is playing from the beginning of the season, all the games. He played the games with the national team, but he's back, he's with us, and he will be with us tomorrow, yes.
Is there a possibility to see in this season 2 teams of HSLB, like one for the championship, one for Europa League, and how will it be from this point of view?
You know, when you make plans for the future, you are not...
Let's say a strategy.
Yeah, I mean, you don't know what tomorrow, how tomorrow will appear, you know, because with the injuries, you don't know, I mean, the squad, how it will be. We always try to make some rotation, to be fresh in all the games, but I cannot say from now that we will have many changes or no, it depends, you know. We have to see always which players will be available, and then we can decide.
Tomorrow, can we see a new system?
New system. Well,
Yes. The owner said he would like to play 4-1-4-1 to be more offensive.
Okay, I tell you, we have our way of play. I believe that this way of play that we have played until now, we did well. At the moment, I'm not thinking to change anything, but it always depends also from the opponents, and we adapt in all the games. But in this point, we don't have many things to change, because I believe the team is doing well, and we are not looking to change many things.
I know you don't usually you don't focus on a specific player, but is Luis Montano the most dangerous and the special player for CFR Cluj?
CFR has many good players, and okay, you know me, and I will never speak individually about one player, but if we focus only on one player, maybe we have problems from other players, you know? We are a team, and we see the things like a team, and we have to defend and to attack like a team. For sure, Luis, I said it many times, that he's a player that he has quality, and he's a player that I like, but we are not focusing only on one player. We have to focus on a team, to play as a team.
After the transfer market ended, what would you say, or which teams impressed you with the way they moved, and who do you see the favorites, let's say, to fight for the title? Because Craiova brought in many players, Rapid as well, CFR.
Okay, it's normal. In this period, it's normal that the teams try to improve, try to bring new players in order to be better and better, like what we do as well. But what I see this year is that all the teams, it's not only about the teams that will fight for the first group, it's all the teams that put difficulties. You cannot see an easy game, and it's something that is very interesting for the league. And I believe that it will be many teams fighting for the championship. All the teams try to improve, try to do the best, but what I always say, we have to see what we do. This is the most important from my point of view.
Okay?
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.